special shout sa ating mga frontliners. Today, nandito ako sa McDonald's to claim our free, yes, our free McDonald's fries and float. And I'm so excited, kaya pasok na tayo. And so here in McDonald's, we also practice proper protocol. There you go. Thank you, Manong. So now, let's activate our app ng McDo para makapag-claim tayo. There. Ma-redeem for, frontliner. Kinang may back doon pa nga iban.
Kaya ko ma-redeem. Bakit tayo i-redeem mo dito na?
Ari.
Activate. Tayo, nina siya lang take out.
Take out ko lang. Happy Heroes Day, Ate! Here, thank you very much, Kuya! Happy Heroes Day, Kuya! Yay! There you go! We're back inside our car! And I got my fries with me! There you go! Ta-da! Yes po, meron po tayong day job and my vlogs usually takes place every weekend. But because of this quarantine, because of this pandemic, medyo humina po yung uploads natin. Pero at least, meron pa din tayong upload dahil meron pa din naman tayong businesses who offer deliveries. To all the frontliners there, legit na legit po. Download nyo yung app na McDo. Then, click the redeem button. Make sure that you are within the vicinity. In 10 minutes, dapat maklaim nyo na yung inyong free fries and float! Yay! Thank you so much, McDonald's!
Channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo dili, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Rubeinspired!